Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.